Give up? Yeah. Okay? Okay, that's very kind, but a little too kind. What about your mate in crime right there? Don't mind that. We're just gonna go underneath. We talked about this. Don't go on the robot. We're sorry. Apology not accepted. Are y'all ever? Do y'all ever want to get murdered? No. No. Okay. Then I have to watch y'all when y'all go. Okay. I'm so ready for a joyride. Yeah, let's go on the joyride. They're literally on a joyride right now. A rampage, by the way. A rampage. A literal rampage. Ah, they're hitting my way. Ah, we're hitting everything. Yeah. We're literally hitting everything. Guys, don't hit me, though. Don't hit me. We won't hit you. We promise, Mommy. Okay, fine. Fine. But no promises anymore, okay? Okay. Well, actually, there can be actually promises. I don't really mind. Why are y'all going on this rampage anyway? Because we like the new robot vacuum. It's like a rampage vehicle. But way too big or way too small for humans. Yeah, that's why we want to go on. Okay, fine. Y'all want to go on a rampage? Go on a rampage. Subscribe for part 3, guys.